CapCut is a video editing application that every content creator should have, most especially if you're a content creator who record your video on your phone and uses your smartphone to edit your videos. CapCut is a go-to app for you. I am recording this video right inside of my CapCut teleprompter with my Android phone. I'm saying all these things carefully because I want you to understand that CapCut camera actually saved my YouTube journey. I started this YouTube channel with my Android phone, Techno K9, some years back. I was recording videos, posting videos, but along the line, I got to understand that most of the time when I record my video inside of my Techno K9 phone, it kind of make my face tilted to one side. And then the acnes of my face were usually very bold. Like the acnes on my face usually get to appear even much more than what I had on my face, right? So yeah, I started feeling insecure about recording videos with my face. Started feeling insecure about posting videos with all of these acnes on my face on the internet. Yeah, for a kid who is from the part of the world where I come from, sometimes you don't just know who is out there watching, and then sometimes you just feel embarrassed because of your background, right? I'm sure a lot of you noticed that the background I was using was not actually the background that I recorded the video in. And all of these things are a contribution that CapCut has done immensely to my YouTube journey. And yet I actually wanted to keep recording, keep making videos, but then the fact that the camera made me have like a bent face, unasymmetrical face, it actually made me felt very insecure about recording most of the time, and then I didn't want to show my face on camera again. So fast forward to early this year, I was on YouTube and then I actually saw somebody made a video about how to use the CapCut teleprompter. So yes, I decided to try that out. Okay, let me just check this CapCut teleprompter up. Let me just check it up, right? So I went there, I clicked on the CapCut teleprompter and then it came up. So I was like, okay, let me just see. Actually, I was not trying to make a YouTube video. I was trying to make a TikTok video. But then I needed to say a whole lot of things that within a very short period of time, and I didn't have enough time to be able to take in all the lines. So I just wanted something very snappy, very quickly, something that can just help me get in the lines and get the lines just the way I wanted to get the lines. Yeah. So I stumbled upon this video. She was teaching about how to use the CapCut teleprompter. So I decided to try to use the CapCut teleprompter and boom. I just noticed that in the background, the CapCut camera actually recorded my face. You can record your face right inside of the CapCut teleprompter while you are reading from the teleprompter, and nobody actually will notice that you are reading from the teleprompter, right? So I did all of that, and to my amazement, my face came out really nicely. As in, the acnes were not there and my face was not bent on one side. So I was like, oh wow, this is something I should be able to work on. And I must say, the CapCut app generally has a whole lot of features that has really helped my video production. Like take for instance the noise cancellation, the remove background feature, the speech to image generation feature, and a whole lot of other feature that I have been using that has really helped me. So yeah, I'm going to jump straight into my phone, show you a screenshot of how I've been able to use some of these features, how you can be able to use some of these features. And I am clearly saying this, nobody paid me to do this video. Capcut didn't pay me. Capcut is not sponsoring this video. Nobody paid me to make this video, so I'm just doing it on my own, just for someone out there who is probably having the same challenge as I had and is probably looking for a quick fix or just a way around it. I think Capcut, to a very large extent, is a go-to application right now for every upcoming content creator. In fact, Capcut is an app that, as a content creator, if you do not have on your phone right now, trust me, you're missing out on a very, very good deal. The app is free, not entirely free. You will always have to have your data in the background running for you to be able to use some of the features when you're editing your video, but aside that, basically everything is free, though they have a paid version of it where some of the features are only available for pro users of the application. But then, to a very large extent, most of the features on the phone, on the free version of it, will do you a lot of good service. And basically, the only thing you need on the app is just to cut your videos, merge your videos. And I tell you, CapCut comes with free music right inside of the app that if you use them, you will not be penalized in any way. Like, there will be no copyright strikes on your videos. You just get to use them for free. Nobody's charging you, nobody's asking you to pay any money. So yeah, I think CapCut has done a lot of good job for this application, and trust me, if you use it, it's going to do you a good
Okay, so here is the screen recording of my phone. I am using an iPhone 6s Plus right now to do this screen recording. And like I will always say, before you start using your CapCut, make sure that your data is turned on, because basically every feature you're going to be using on this app on smartphone needs your data to be active. So go ahead and open your CapCut. Okay, you wait for that to load. So okay, yeah, so as soon as your CapCut is open, this is the interface you're going to see. Forget this project that you're seeing here. These are some of my previous projects that you're looking at right there. You can see it is titled projects, and then in the middle here you can see this box. It says new project, and then on the top right corner here, what you're going to see is expand. So if you click on expand here, on the top on the top left corner, what you see is photo editor. So there it helps you to edit your pictures, make them brighter, make them more beautiful. And then the amazing text to image is next to it right there. So you can see it is labeled free. It is actually free. So you just go in there, type whatever you want, and then the AI automatically converts that text into an image. Now right here is AutoCut. AutoCut is another mini video editor right there. You can use it to edit your videos. It works super fast. And then next to it right there is product photos. It's also an AI generated service. So it just gives you pictures and then you use the prompt to also create other pictures. And below here you see AI poster. Now these posters are if you want to create like a banner for Facebook, a banner for your Instagram, banner for TikTok, and those of you who are on other streaming platforms where you get to do birthdays. If you need a banner to do a birthday shout out or something, these banners right here are really amazing. Now this AI model, if you've been watching videos where you get to see people have models where the models are talking and moving, yeah, you can use this AI model right here for your jobs like that. And then if you're a fashion designer, you could use this AI model as well to wear in your clothes and model for you. And right here is the camera, the camera that I just finished using. And then here is retouch is what you use to just get a better feel at your own pictures. If you feel your pictures are not very bright, or some part of your pictures are blur, or some part of your picture is not as the way you want it, retouch will help you fix that. Then auto caption, just like the name implies, it helps you to put in captions on your videos. And then the almighty teleprompter that I just finished using to record that video. Teleprompter is right there. You click on the teleprompter, you type in what you want to say, or you can copy and paste your script inside of your teleprompter, and then you hit play, and then it starts to record. So that is amazing. And then right here you have remove background. This remove background helps you to remove background on pictures. For instance, you have a picture you want to use somewhere for any kind of purpose, and then you don't like the background of the picture and you need to quickly remove it. You don't need to go to Photoshop or anything like that. You just quickly import the picture right here on your CapCut, and then click on remove background. It will show you where to import the picture. You bring it in and instantly the background will be removed, and then you save the picture in high D. So here you have image enhancement. Image enhancement is what it works a little bit just as similar as retouch, but then here is just basically enhances your image. So you just put it in there. You have a few nozzles where you get to tweak it, and then you tweak them and everything comes out perfectly well. If you want me to do an in-depth video on any of these features, drop a comment in the comment section.